Hi, Lightroom lovers! This is free Lightroom preset for beautiful aesthetic green colors effect. Before we start, I will show you how this Lightroom preset works on different photos. Look at these before and after examples using this beautiful FineArt style filter. Okay, I hope you like this FineArt preset. Let's go to Edit. Increase exposure till 51. Contrast -8. Bring highlights all the way down till 84. Boost shadows till 63. Pull up white till 31 and blacks +78. Next, go to curves. This is the most hard and tricky part. Follow these steps very carefully. Okay, curves is ready. Now go to color section. Increase white balance a little bit till +3 and tint +4. Vibrance +9. Pull down the saturation till 24. Nice, we already did quite a good job. Next, go to Mix Color section. First, we need to change red color. Pull down Hue till 11 and desaturate red color till 56. Also pull down luminance a little bit till 9. Okay, go to orange color. Repeat all my steps with each color. almost done. Now go to Effects section. Choose Split Toning. Here we only need warm up shadows a little bit. Nice! Click Done and go back to Effects section. Pull down clarity till 2. That's it! Our beautiful FineArt preset is ready. Let's check out how this preset works on the different photos. We need to copy all the settings that we have made with this photo. And now we need just pass these settings to another photo. With this photo, preset works not very well, so we need to make a little correction. Usually it's enough to make some changes with exposure and white balance. For this photo, I will pull down exposure till 41, increase contrast and shadows. After these little corrections, I like this photo much more. For this photo, preset works quite well, but I just wanna add a little bit correction. Let's add a little more contrast, pull down exposure, add a little shadows, and change the white balance to more blue colors. I like these yellow flowers on this photo. Let's do some changes to make these flowers more visible. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Sorry for my English, I know it's not perfect, but I wanna practice. I have a really good Lightroom skills, so I wanna share it with you. So please give me some inspiration for creating new videos like this. Just thumb up and subscribe on my channel. See you next video.